Imagine a creature that's basically playing life in New Game Plus mode. Meet the ribbon eel, nature's most dramatic transformer. Ready for this? It starts life as a jet black male, morphs into electric blue with yellow edges, then pulls the ultimate plot twist, transforms into a female and turns completely yellow. But here's the mind bender, this isn't just a fashion show. Each color change marks a completely different life chapter, like nature's own progress bar. Scientists are still scratching their heads about how one animal coded all these transformations into its DNA. Want more ocean mysteries? Dive deeper with US, hit subscribe and ride the next wave of wild discoveries.